Have you ever thought about growing your own food in the city? Welcome to the world of urban gardening, a realm where fresh produce is just a rooftop away. This eco-friendly approach promotes sustainability, offering a green solution to city living. Urban gardening might just be the solution you never knew you needed. So, how does one start their own urban garden? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, you'll need some containers. These can be anything from repurposed buckets to specially designed planters. Next, you'll need some good quality soil and, of course, your seeds or seedlings. Lastly, ensure your plants will get enough sunlight or invest in some grow lights if your space lacks natural light. With these simple materials, you are well on your way to creating your own urban oasis. Now that you have your materials, let's dive into the process. First things first, we start with preparing the containers. Make sure they have proper drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Next, fill them with nutrient-rich soil, leaving a little space at the top. Now it's time to plant. If you're using seeds, sow them according to the instructions on the packet. If you're using seedlings, gently place them in the soil and cover their roots. Once planted, your urban garden needs care. Regular watering is essential, but avoid overwatering. Sunlight is also crucial, so position your containers where they can get ample light. Finally, patience is key. Watch as your garden grows, and when the time is right, enjoy the fruits of your labor. And voila, you'll be harvesting your own homegrown produce in no time. But why should you consider starting your own urban garden? Urban gardening reaps many rewards. It's a fantastic way to save cash on groceries, decrease your carbon footprint, and even boost your mental well-being. Urban gardening is not only good for you, but it's also good for our planet. Ready to get your hands dirty and start your own urban garden? It's time to transform your space into a green oasis, reaping the benefits of sustainability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more urban gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!